Let's double check, guys, once again. Uniswap, UniUSDT trading pair with Marcus America said, guys, this chart absolutely relevant, and this fee we track since 2023, I guess. You can find the main bull and plan video in the free Telegram channel. I showed you that time here, accumulation zone. So it's 27 block, $7.19, $4.31. It's accumulation zone. The targets, it's conservative one, it's 28.96, and the new all-time high is 64.75. Still relevant. And take a look the previous cycle at the Uniswap pump it from November 2020. It's 2,372% gains, and that time when I post the video about Uniswap, so we count potential gains from the low of June 2022, 1,840% gains. But on that dump, is by the way on OKX, not on Binance, it was a crash to $2.27, and we almost formed the actual lows, right? Yes, almost. So almost actual lows. It's potential 2,700%. So it's not something like crazy gains, but it's possible. It's new all-time high. The conservative one, of course, it's if we'll not see some crazy altcoin season for the altcoins, it's 1,000 around 200% gains. So 0.5 low by FIB. Now we trade again around the accumulation zone. So highly recommended, by the way, go and check the free educational video how to work with this custom fee. Plus I highly recommend you go and check the main video about Uniswap. So the next trouble area for Uni, it's a yearly open. It's around $13. Also now a lot of some maybe rumors, maybe some in by time it will be the fact. So the Uniswap maybe burn supply. I don't know what's the point after the years, change the tokenomics, change the supply. Why the project can't just run the token with normal tokenomics at the beginning? Why after when the token dump like crazy from $44, from $45, almost $45 to $2, right? We dump it only after the years to bring some good news about a project, because all these time periods, I don't know what exactly Uniswap working on. So they try to deliver something, they post a lot during all this downtrend, and it's not affect the price at all. And now the only one things what they can do is just shield the news about potential burn supply. So what's the point of that supply at all at the beginning? So I don't know. This marketing moves, it's good. Of course, it's good. It's just part of the game, but it's kind of silly. It's kind of silly personally for me, because if the project trying to deliver something, and they deliver, but it's not affect the price of the token, it means that service or that product can work even without a token. I already explained to you on example with Apple. So if you want to buy the product from Apple, like iPhone or a MacBook, you pay the money for that and you use the product. You enjoy it. You're satisfied. But and you don't care about the money. You buy it because you know the price of this. But if you want to make a gains from the Apple shares, you invest in it and you worry about a price. So you don't care about an iPhone, you don't care about the MacBook, you just worry about the price of the Apple stocks, And if the Apple, I don't know, delivers some of the bad product and the people are not satisfied, and because of that, the stocks dumping, you're not happy, with that investment. The same story now. So the people invest in Uniswap because they, like many other projects, so they try to sell you the dream. So they work on something which should affect the price at all. But Uniswap worked perfectly well, even at $45 when they're talking traded at 45. I swap the tokens here in Zone 21, and I can do the same with Uniswap here at $2. I can use their platform, and I don't care basically about the Uniswap price. That's why I can use the Uniswap platform even if with the token will be at $1. So that's the main goal. That's why I'm okay with the Uniswap like a platform. But if you invest in Uniswap, of course, you're not okay. So targets, guys, I showed you. Why I give you that message, because the people trap it with the fundamental. So they read the news, they read some headlines in social and think that headlines, that fundamental, some updates should push the price higher. No. It's good for the product, it's good for the service, but not for the not only for the tokens, and maybe will not put the price of the token higher, like people expected. So the zone of accumulation, guys, once again, here the test $7.19. This can be the next test. Weekly open at 6.57, monthly open at 5.76. Honestly, I don't think so. We're gonna drop to $4.31. But it's possible. We can double check on the daily. It's going to be the 50% of this week. The $4.02, it's a 0.5. I hope will not drop that low, because it's going to be pretty bad. I hope the BTC dominance will go down, and the next trouble area for the Uniswap will be here. That's why, guys, once again, if the token, for example, go into the weekly open, consolidate here and go higher, at $15, it will be not a mistake to withdraw initial deposit. That's it. Let's double check, guys, with the indicator set. What's going on now? Targets, guys, relevant. So I showed you this one. We are in accumulation. So this is just a local consolidation. So we are now at the level of, for example, January 23. So nothing special. We're not showing some craziness on the chart. So ADZ direction. Fun fact, guys. So that's why I use my custom indicator set here. Of course, I'm not track unit because I'm not invested in it. But here, it was the top without a crazy overbought zone, but it was a divergency here. Yes, it was obvious. Top divergency, nice one. But take a look. This top here, it was like 1946. Time to sell because of divergency on a weekly. Here was a time to sell because we totally overbought. It's craziness, but the price is way lower. So what now? Here's accumulation pump, time to out. Summer, what is the time to out? And now we just a little bit over the middle line. So once again, if we will drop again, guys, yes, we can drop even on the $1. It's will be just madness, but it's possible to form the divergency now down, something like this one. I hope it will not happen because of time. We don't have enough time for the altcoin season. If we will see this cycle altcoin season, I'm not sure. But of course, now a lot of positive around the crypto, some ETFs on altcoins. Direction, we on the middle line, so it's not bullish, not bearish, just neutral. Daily, more about accumulation. So this is accumulation. Now we're just in the middle. So it's not a time to sell your tokens. Monthly, what I don't like here, it's craziness how at the bottom at $7.85 we in distribution zone. Kind of weird. At least on ADZ, direction, no signal to buy or sell, nothing. Just neutral. Sometimes it's neutral. What is good? Bullish signal on the monthly frame. It's disbelief on monthly. A market mode indicator. Disbelief on the weekly, it's a good one. Last time when we saw the disbelief, it was here. Here, for example, September 24, here, disbelief. Some bounces. So at least 100% pump, I guess we will see. We already pumped it like 466 to 10, so we already pumped it 100%. Here, this was capitulation pump, a 3-year drop. We need to see some retest, $7.19, and continuation higher. I guess. Trade on. Take a look the daily. Sell August. Take profit 25 September 25. Buy. Take profit from the buy signals. Here's a sell. So if you bought it here at 738 and 569, so average like 6. So here at 9, you could fix a profit. But of course, I can't say it's some crazy good trader and wasted time. Sell signal here. 2 days ago was a sell signal, so need to wait the signal, take profit. Kind of strange. Why so big seller pressure on the Uniswap? I don't know. Weekly time frame. Sell, buy back. No new signal to buy, guys. Kind of strange, you know. A lot of positive news around the Uniswap, but looks like insiders hide something. Here's a money outflow. Also kind of strange chart, totally strange chart. So this was accumulation, right? Pump, distribution, money in, distribution, now nothing. So guys, highly recommend you add alerts and track. RSI bearish divergence was here in December 24. Obvious time to sell. Now nothing. No bullish, no bearish. One bullish signal was here in November 6. MACD bullish divergence pump. Now nothing. And the last indicator, guys, take profit. All right, so let's check the weekly. Weekly, we're underrated. So take profit line, it's 1158. Exit line, 1310. So definitely, guys, I think we will test the yearly open, the 0 level and the exit line, and we will test it. When? Nobody knows. Monthly time frame, no data. Daily, let's double check. So the daily take profit line 1075, exit line 1209. If we will drop, I hope we will hold the line just 719. If not, the road will be open to test the buy line 537, 12 time frame here, 448. So like conclusion, guys, globally, of course, it's okay accumulate Uniswap like any other altcoins up to your own risk, right? I don't care about Uniswap. I don't care about a PancakeSwap or these platforms, you know. I think in the future, you know, the platform like Hyperleak with like Uniswap, like PancakeSwap will be regulated. So and honestly, it will be good for the industry. So this is a buy line on 12 time frame. So if you want to buy a Uniswap, you can wait the test of the buy line on 12 time frame if you want. 4 time frame, we here drop it down the fundamental value. Now test the exit line. So the drop looks logical, but I wish so we recover more from now. Global targets, guys, I showed you. Local one also. If you like to trade as my customer, because I will show in this video, write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.